Hello, University of Guelph community. My name is June Baldwin and I use she and her pronouns. I am the coordinator of neighborhood relations and off-campus living here at the university. The off-campus living team exists to provide supports to both students and community members. We provide a lot of direct advising and supports for students who are either living off campus already or who are looking to live off campus in the near future. Students often reach out for support with searching for housing, having their lease reviewed, or they might be looking for transportation options to campus. That could be from within Guelph, or that could be from other nearby areas as well if they're commuting. Students often look for support if they're having any issues or concerns with their roommates or with their landlords, or if they're just trying to learn about their tenant rights. We offer both educational and social events for students who are living off campus or looking to live off campus. For community members, you may have questions or concerns about students in your neighborhood, and we really encourage you to reach out to us with any of those concerns. If you're looking to rent a room to a student or you have a rental unit available, please reach out. We have lots of resources and templates available for you. The off-campus living team exists to help support students and community members in staying connected to each other and maintaining the great relationship that we have in the city of Guelph. Please don't hesitate to reach out and book an appointment with us at any time. Thank you.